Hello data points. Now I am come with us our new documentation of our this project show file tree, and here is the documentation of our project. We all know, in the previous video we discussed about how to I suffer from and how I interested to do the mkdoc materials designing. So I tried, and here is the basic format of block. Added the timing as I mentioned, about session, icons, and the copyright material for mkdocs, github repo, search capability with the uh, with suggestions and icons, everything. And change the dark and light mode in a general session, versions, CLI reference, output display. If you go like this also, we can also see all the timing and the suggestion dates and sizes, filtering options, time based, and how we can improve our mkdoc documentation. So I created this, and yeah, and I created the 3 branches for update the md files, like added the code of conduct, contribute, license, security, all these options. Along with this, we fix it the readme file, and in mkdocs I added all the documentation, then I squash it and convert into um, one commit. Yeah, we got the issues also, someone doing the issues, and this is I am, and this is some other one guy I shared. So yeah, and I added the I try to implement this options also, try to implement this Maria mind and all these call out options also, and I try to copy this option. Okay, just a minute. I try to copy this option, this suggestion option, but let's see what happened. This tag also I like this, and yeah, for this repository I'm creating the three practice mkdocs and gate practices. This mkdocs, I practice the mkdocs, how it's work, and the gate practices. If you see, we uploaded a github action repo with too many commits. Some actions are fail and some are working. Yeah, some action are fail. And if you look at the setting, go to the pages, then if you see the deploy from the branches, gh root site will be saved, so that work perfectly with workflow. I am selected in a main branch and doing a doc format folder, so it not work perfectly. Yeah, mm, this is demo website. Like this I created 2 more report to understand how the website will work, and we created this. In the future we updated these documentations also. Then let's see what we did in. Yeah, First of all, the site and the repo details and the edit URL, copyright option, then the theme, features. I try out all the features, and what I like, that I leave it, and what I don't, I just comment out like this. Simple. Yeah, then the palette for the dark, and this for the font, and the icon, folder open icon. This folder open icon is here. Then the plugins for the, what is that? Okay, yeah, this is the last options is come from this plugins and the markdown. So this is the highlight for the tab, this is the advanced code block, and this is the table of content from right from this side you can see, and the external link and icons. And the, if you see notice my previous videos, then we saw the navigation will mention from the material documentation at the end, so we learn from here. And this is not, I try to decode this option from how, clicking upon this edit option, edit page, then go to back and see how this work. And yeah, this is something, and I don't understand how this work. I try out but it not work. Then doc option, then everything is as usual same, nothing. So yeah, these options how I created. I go to the chat gpt and say I have this repo and I need the download option, py, license, mit, python version, all of this. I say give me the 20 options for my batches, then it suggests some like this, and what I like and tested out I put it here. And it look, here is the back to top option also, and put it here. If you notice, we got the 124 downloaded. Wow, 124 downloaded, and the two issues, like click the 124. Yeah, we got our package. How this fix, I asked from, I search it out, and when the version is uploaded, version is updated, then this readme file also updated with our latest readme file. Our latest readme file is here. Okay, in the mkdocs, when I updated all of this and satisfied with my website and the mkdoc, then we updated this. I don't know this work or not in py app. And here is the mit license, some tags, some required versions, it automatically fill it out. Okay, and if you notice, I am saying you the mistakes, the pages and the root would like this, and the if you interested the command how I deploy from this tab, from the, go to this and the git batch. Then if you see my first video with the less sound, I show how the git batch is installed and how it automatically sync with my github repo when I try to publish it. Yeah, some changes is happens. So simple, go to commit button and click the commit, so it works. Okay, so this is from my side, and let's see what happened, how we updated our website for the futures. And what rest. Okay, nothing else. Okay, join.